Imagine waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee, and realizing you've already made $665 while you slept. Sounds unreal, right? Well, stick with me because in today's video, I'm going to reveal 7 of the laziest yet incredibly effective ways to make money online. These methods require little to no experience, minimal effort, and you can do them from anywhere in the world. Plus, stay till the end because I've saved my absolute favorite moneymaker, a strategy that's earned me thousands just for you. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to MoneyWise. If you're looking for ways to grow your income without burning out, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this every week. Method 1. Freelancing with a twist. The first lazy way to make money online is using freelancing websites like guru.com. What sets this apart is that you don't need advanced skills to earn here. Take proofreading, for example. Clients pay anywhere from $15 to $100 an hour just to edit and correct text. Here's where it gets even easier. Instead of manually proofreading everything, use AI tools like ChatGPT. Simply paste the text into ChatGPT, ask it to proofread and edit, and it'll give you a polished result within seconds. Then, submit the work back to your client and get paid. Some proofreaders on Guru have earned over $400,000 doing this. With AI, you can deliver faster and scale this up to earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month with ease. What's even better is that Guru often has less competition than bigger platforms like Upwork, meaning you can carve out a niche quickly. So why not turn AI into your secret weapon for earning? It's fast, easy, and scalable. Method 2. Transcribing made easy. Next, let's talk about transcription jobs on websites like rev.com. These platforms pay you to listen to audio and convert it into text. Rates start at $0.30 to $1.20 per audio minute. A 2-hour podcast could earn you up to $120. But don't worry, you don't have to sit and type it all out. AI tools like Otter.ai or Sonics can transcribe the audio for you. Just upload the file, let the AI handle the hard part, and deliver the final document to your client. It's that simple. For those of you who might be wondering, can I really do this without any experience? The answer is absolutely yes. These AI tools make the process so seamless that anyone can start earning in no time. Imagine getting paid just to click a few buttons. It doesn't get lazier than that. Method 3. Faceless YouTube channels. Method 3 is all about passive income through faceless YouTube channels. Create videos without showing your face and earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Here's the lazy approach. Use tools like Script AI to generate a video script and 11 Labs for lifelike AI voiceovers. Once you've got these, pair them with stock footage or simple animations, upload to YouTube, and start earning. One video I posted last year continues to make me $4,000 in ad revenue. Imagine the potential with just a handful of these videos. Here's a quick tip. Focus on evergreen topics like personal finance, health tips, or tech tutorials. These videos stay relevant and continue to earn views for years. The best part? Once you've uploaded the video, the work is done. You're literally making money in your sleep. Method 4. Print-on-demand stores. If you're a bit creative, or know how to use free design tools like Canva, consider starting a print-on-demand store. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble let you sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and more. You don't have to handle inventory or shipping. It's all automated. Create simple designs, upload them, and earn a profit every time someone buys your product. The best part? Once your designs are live, it's passive income. Not sure about design? Don't worry. Even simple text-based designs like inspirational quotes or funny phrases sell like hotcakes. Just think about how many people love quirky mugs or motivational t-shirts. Tap into trends and watch your sales grow. Method 5. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing is another lazy income stream. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, share product links on your social media, blog, or YouTube channel, and earn a commission on every sale. Start by promoting products you already use and love. Authenticity sells, and as your audience grows, so will your income. Some affiliate marketers earn 5 to 6 figures annually doing this. For an extra boost, use tools like Bitly to track link clicks or create custom landing pages to make your promotions look more professional. Remember, the key here is consistency. The more links you share, the more you earn. Method 6. Selling digital products. Another easy and scalable method is selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. You can create them once and sell them endlessly. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it super simple to list and sell digital items. Not a writer? Use AI tools like ChatGPT to draft an ebook in your niche or Canva to design beautiful templates. Once uploaded, these products generate passive income while you relax. Here's an idea. If you're good at budgeting, create a simple monthly budget planner and sell it on Etsy. You'd be amazed at how many people are willing to pay for tools that make their lives easier. Method 7. Stock photography and videos. If you enjoy taking photos or videos, upload them to platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn royalties. Even if you're not a pro photographer, smartphones these days have amazing cameras. Capture high-quality shots, upload them, and watch the earnings roll in. Pro tip: focus on niche topics like seasonal events, travel destinations, or food photography. These categories often have high demand and can earn you consistent passive income. The bonus strategy. As promised, here's my favorite bonus strategy: building an email newsletter. Use platforms like Substack to start a free newsletter on a topic you're passionate about. As your subscriber base grows, monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or premium memberships. One of my newsletters earned me nearly $20,000 in just 1 week by combining these revenue streams. It's powerful and passive, a winning combo. The best part about newsletters? They help you build a loyal audience you can monetize over and over again. It's like having your own ATM machine that pays out regularly. And there you have it, 7 lazy yet effective ways to make money online, plus a bonus strategy to supercharge your income. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips from MoneyWise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.